In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord verification code not received. If you're stuck waiting on a code that never shows, let's walk through the exact checks that usually solve it. Start by confirming where Discord is trying to send the code. Depending on what you're doing, it may go to your email or arrive as a text message. If it should be email, open your inbox and look carefully in spam, junk, and promotions. These messages are automated and often get filtered. Use your inbox search and type Discord to surface anything you might have missed. And if you're on Gmail, switch to all mail so archived messages appear. Sometimes the code lands within a minute, but it's normal for these emails to take 2 to 5 minutes. So give it a moment before trying again. If the code is supposed to come via SMS, double check that you selected the correct country code when entering your number. Make sure your phone has signal and data, and look through any blocked messages list to confirm Discord's shortcode isn't being filtered out. As with email, allow 2 to 5 minutes for the text to arrive before you take any further action. If the code still hasn't arrived, avoid the temptation to request it over and over. Repeated requests can trigger temporary rate limits that delay or block delivery. The fix is simple: wait 10 to 15 minutes without requesting anything, then ask for one code only and watch for that message or email. Next, turn off anything that might interfere with verification systems. VPNs, proxies, and some browser ad blockers can block or delay these messages. Disable your VPN or proxy, pause any ad or privacy extensions, refresh Discord, and try again. This helps your request look trusted and reach the verification service cleanly. If you're still not receiving the code, switch your internet connection to reset your IP. If you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. A quick router restart can also help clear network issues that prevent messages from being sent or received. After switching, return to Discord and request a single new code. To recap, verify where the code is being sent, check the right folders or message settings, give it a few minutes, avoid repeated requests, disable VPNs or blockers, and try a different connection. Follow these steps patiently, and in most cases, your Discord verification code will come through. Thanks for watching, and